This is my longtime client who came in wanting to play hair roulette, which we'd both been looking forward to for months. We blindfolded her by wrapping the Fremar Jaguar foils around her glasses. She ended up choosing a prism perimeter, which was so exciting for us because we'd never done a full rainbow before. I knew I would be doing a deeper pigmented rainbow because I didn't want it to be too bright since she definitely has witchier vibes. I started by applying a double process on the perimeter, and then I did a balayage on the top half of her hair. Once I was done applying the balayage, the bottom foils were basically already ready to come out. I removed those foils first before then taking out all of the foils and emulsifying the lightener over the ends as well. It was so satisfying to watch the lightener process. I mixed up the color scheme that we were going to be working with before cutting her hair and then applying. I actually went live for the rainbow application, so I didn't have any videos of it, but it was so satisfying to remove the foils. She was so surprised by the results and absolutely in love with them. She brought this tiara ready for the photo shoot and I was obsessed. The prism colors look so cool and they move around, and I wanted to show you guys how amazing it looked straight as well. For the base color, I used a mixture of blue, violet, and silver from Pravana, and for the rainbow, it was all Pravana as well. We were so in love.